Hey y'all, welcome to Bushcraft Wednesday. I'm Gray Madden from Self-Reliance Publishing, and in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to tie a trucker's hitch. Now a trucker's hitch is a useful knot to tie anytime you need tension in your line. So there's a mechanical advantage that you get when using this knot. So it's useful for securing a load, or tying up a ridge line is another common application for a trucker's hitch. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how to tie the original, as well as a small modification you can do that makes it easier to tie. Okay, so tying this knot is really simple. All we're going to do is take this line here and put a loop in it like so, and we're going to reach down through the bottom, pull a bight through that hole, and this is going to form an overhand knot, an overhand slip knot. You can see you can pull the line back and forth, it slips freely. So now we take our working end, run it around our second tree or second anchor point and back towards the overhand slip knot, go through that loop, and that gives us a mechanical advantage right here. It's like having a pulley essentially. Now the traditional knot, you have to pull tight, put tension on it, and pinch this off right here while you tie your half hitch on a bight or whatever kind of knot you want to use to secure it. And that can pose a problem for kids, women, anybody that lacks some finger strength or hand strength might find some difficulty doing that. And anybody, don't care who you are, is not going to be able to get it as tight if you're having to pinch it like that. So an easy modification that the boys over at the Pathfinder School teach is to come back around a second time, and what happens is when you pull on this end, that binds up on itself and it keeps the tension there for you while you come through and secure it with a half hitch on a bight like so. So you can effectively get this line or this rope, this cordage, a lot tighter and not have to fiddle around with pinching that off as you're tying your safety knot. So I learned this from the Gray Bearded Green Beret. I think Corporal's Corner also has a video on it. So I wanted to give them credit for that little modification there. So to untie it, you just simply pull down, pull back, and you're freed up and ready to go. It should pull through and you're on your way to breaking camp or untying your load, whatever you're doing. So just to run through that knot one more time, you're creating a loop, you're pulling a bight through that loop to make an overhand slip knot, going around your anchor, back through the loop you created with the overhand, coming back through that loop a second time, and pulling tight where it will then bind on itself, and then you're just coming through to tie a single half hitch on a bight and you're good to go. Done tie it, pull it back, and you're untied. It's a really simple knot to tie. It's a really simple knot to untie. So that's the trucker's hitch and the modified trucker's hitch. I hope you found that helpful. I really like that small little modification with a second bight going through the overhand slip knot. Really makes it simpler to tie and allows you to get a tighter ridge line or a tighter load. As always, I appreciate every like, every comment, and every subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.